After this is the grand finale. Coming up next, all the way from New York City. Now this guy is Instagram famous. Now for this next one, we need 3 beautiful ladies. If they're ugly, don't even pick them. Everybody clap, everybody clap. Now ladies, raise your hands, we will pick you, we just need 3. Raise your hands, if you're feeling beautiful today, raise your hands. Everybody clap, everybody clap, everybody clap, everybody clap. Oh, we got us a white girl, get over here. Hold on, sweetheart, we gotta pick you, we gotta pick you, raise your hands. Black people don't pay attention, see? Now everybody clap, everybody clap, everybody clap. All right over here. Right over here, sweetheart. Hey, look, give me one more. Give me a black one, give me a black one. Oh yeah, she black as hell, get over here. You look good, girl, get over here. Now everybody clap, everybody clap, everybody clap, everybody clap, everybody clap. White people clap, black people clap, Mexicans clap. Asian people clap, Indians clap, everybody clap, 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 clap. Oh no, stop. White people, find your rhythm. Now listen up, folks. This is now the grand finale. The best part of the show. Now folks, when I introduce my victims, now folks, for this next one, we need you guys' help. We need a couple of ladies that be white. Get them over here. Right over there, sir. The price is right. sir, stand right over here, right next to him. Hey, come here, come here, come here. Let me see. Let me see the other one. Let me see. Let me see. No, right over there. Thank you for being rich and white. Thank you, Rex. Pretty good. Oh, hey, get my man back there with the shades. Get him, yes. Tony Soprano, get over there. All right. So how you doing? Good. Good time. Okay, now folks, this is the grand finale. The best part of this show. Remember, we always have the biggest, the loudest, and the best crowd. When I introduce everybody, give it up for the three beautiful ladies. Come on, y'all! Now, you know what? A show is not a show without at least one Asian guy. Give me an Asian guy! Like this. You better have a camera and a map. Yeah, give a round of applause. Come on, y'all. Hey, thank you. Thank you. Thank you for being Asian. Thank you, guys. We appreciate that, okay? Now, folks, this is the grand finale. The most dangerous part of the show. When I introduce everybody, show your love by making as much noise as you can, because we always got the biggest and the loudest crowd in New Orleans. Now, give it up for the 5 rich white guys. Come on, y'all. Give it up for the 3 beautiful ladies. Come on, y'all.